Old Souk. This is one of the most famous places in Qatar, probably in the top 10. Hi guys, welcome to my new video here. Today we are back in Wakra Old Souk. This is one of the most famous places in Qatar, probably in the top 10. I posted a video on this before. It's one of my famous videos. It was evening time. It was pretty nice video. You should check it out. It's pretty long. It's way more detailed. This one. Today is just the night view. I want to show you how beautiful this looks. It has a beach, hundreds of cafes and lots of facilities, restrooms, mosques. Even there are football boots, sports equipment shops as well. So this is an overall pretty famous place, and the food here you get is pretty well priced, and the taste is also really nice. As you can see, they have maps as well. uh, Al Wakra Old Souk, as you can see, they have maps of this. You can see everything. It's a pretty old school, well, not old, it is renovated and like modernized a bit. So I'm gonna show you even more clips that will catch your interest, and they look really good. So see you in the next clips, and stay tuned for them. So guys, this is a night market. Lots of people come here every day. Lots of seaside restaurants. You can get lots of nice views. There is also a family beach here. The water is pretty warm. It's pretty good to swim in. There is lots of shade, lots of sitting areas. Uh, the amount of restaurants here, and it's very multicultural. There are Persian, Egyptian, and even dessert restaurants like Tiger Cookies. They have pretty nice cookies, and most importantly, ice cream as well. Ice cream is one of the best desserts you can eat, and there is a clip about that which you will see. I review ice cream. uh, Most importantly, there are many fancy cafes and areas, and there are sports equipment shops where you can buy football boots, and other accessories. There are many famous, landmarks here. Uh, as well as entertainment areas, which I'm going to show you in the end. The lighting here is also very beautiful. Coming here in the sunset is pretty nice. You can get lots of nice orange sun, and orange skies. But the weather might be a little hot. When it's winter, or you could say spring, lots of people come here, since the weather is pretty good. But people are a bit reluctant, due to the summer heat, and it is a bit humid. So I would recommend coming at night. But go to a restaurant, I mean, like after sunset, because the weather is good, and the scenery is also pretty nice. The beach is pretty huge, lots of areas to sit and have a picnic. There is a gold market as well. You can buy gold biscuits, jewelry, everything. And the amount of little stalls here when you where you can get chips, juice if you don't like heavy food. This is what I like as well. You can get sugar cane juice as well. So and some things here are pretty decently priced. The amount of food you can get here is also pretty nice. And at the end, there are many special things I would show you here. Especially the entertainment here is also pretty crazy. uh, you have seating areas where you can view the sea. This is in Al Wakra. It's called the Old Souk because of its buildings. It's old style Qatar architecture. It's like other Middle Eastern old architecture. This is what the old buildings used to look like. This just proves that Qatar, still has old buildings. I mean, they look old, but like it just has a nice vibe to it. It's like you're in old Qatar walking. This also has a fish market near it, so you can get fresh fish as well. So Al Wakra has a nice beach as well. Vanilla mix. Vanilla mixes. So guys, I've came here to get some ice cream. It does look pretty good, and I've tried them before, and they taste pretty good. The looks wise, oh, mix is always the best you can get. I mean, it looks pretty nice. The cone is long as well. This looks pretty nice. I would say presentation wise, it's a 7 out of 10. And let me try it. I mean, it does melt quick because summer in Qatar just finishes your ice cream off. Tastes a bit like a sorbet, a bit very like you can taste the milk, cream, and sweet, sugar and condensed milk. Overall, 9 out of 10. I would recommend 3 real for this. It's pretty good, big. You can fill yourself up with it. So, guys, the ice cream was pretty good. But moving on, let's talk about the facilities this place has. It is pretty huge. Couple of 100 meters. You get mosques, restrooms, benches to sit. So overall, the facilities here are also pretty good. But the main talking point about the old souk is about its food and its fish. It's pretty famous for that, and its entertainment as well. What's about to come, I'll show you. There are lots of fancy areas here. So you get decent food. It tastes good as well, and some of the restaurants give you uh, pretty decent price food as well. So I'd recommend coming here, especially on a Thursday or Friday night with family or friends, and have a picnic on the beach. That's why many people come here. The lighting here is also pretty good. The overhead LEDs make you feel very nice and comfortable here. You can get lots of good photography here as well. The alleyways and just the walking spots are also pretty beautiful. There are deep alleys here which you can find even more stores. So it's basically like a maze where you can just guess which stores there are. And this beach is pretty long as well, so if you might like have no space, you can get space in other places as well. This is the entertainment section I was talking about. There are horse carriages, basically vehicle trains which take children around and you have to pay for them. So, guys, this is the final part of the video. It was a pretty good experience. Lots of cafes. To recap the video, there are lots of cafes facilities, and I even tried the ice cream. It was pretty good. You could taste the strawberry and vanilla clearly. It's just the cone was a bit soggy and tasted like a mid wafer. So that's why it was a 9, or else it would be a 10. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make more vlogs and adventure videos like this. So, see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and have a good night and bye.